Hues and Cues is a vibrant and engaging board game that challenges players to describe and guess colors using only words. It's perfect for families, artists, designers, and party game lovers because it tests how well you can communicate and interpret color perception. Pretty dope if you ask me. The game board features 480 different hues, and on each turn, a player gives a one word clue to describe a specific color. Other players place their tokens on the board trying to guess the exact shade. In the second round, the clue giver can provide a two-word hint to refine the guesses. Points are awarded based on how close players get to the targeted color, making for a fun and surprising experience full of moments. If you love creative social games that spark conversation, Hues and Cues is a must try. Are you ready to put your color perception to the test?